Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, and today we are doing another wash and go. I am trying another mousse for my wash and go this time. So if you're interested to see exactly how this is going to turn out, make sure that you stay tuned. All right, so for my mousse today, y'all, I am going to jump right into it. I'm going to be using the Miche Gel-to-Foam Styling Mousse. This is supposed to be a frizz-free definition. I've tried their gel before. If you have not checked it out already, check out my previous videos where I tried their anti-humidity tropical oasis gel. Fell in love with it, and it's been a staple ever since I filmed that video. So I have high hopes for this. Let's go ahead, see how it works. I've already shampooed my hair, deep conditioned it, and I'm wearing gloves today because I'm growing my nails out and I don't want to snag my hair or anything like that. So I am in gloves. For my leave-in conditioner, I'm using the same leave-in that I always use, which is the Inner Sense. This is so good. This is the Sweet Spirit leave-in conditioner. So I will be applying this today. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I'm not trying to have a long video for you all. So let's just get to it. All right, so I just came from under the dryer and I had to come back because I wanted to say that I have high hopes for this wash and go. My hair did not even shrink under the dryer, y'all. I'm still gonna stretch it tomorrow morning with my blow dryer, but to have no shrinkage, and I can see where it says it is frizz-free definition. This looks good. I have very high hopes for this. I'm looking in my mirror that's over here, and yeah, this gonna be good tomorrow. Now I'm gonna sleep on top of this. I'm gonna put my bonnet on, so I'm still gonna have to fluff it out in the morning, but I wanna see how long it lasts and what it looks like stretched out. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I have just come from work. I filmed a little bit this morning, but I didn't get a chance to like really show you the results. The wash and go understood the assignment. I love this mousse so bad, y'all, that I went on their website and I ordered me 2 more. They're not in stock right now, so I did a pre-order where they ship in like 2 to 3 weeks, because this gives us such a flexible hold that I know I'm gonna run through this. I know I am. And this is gonna be good for perm rod sets, flexi rod sets, but for me, it's about the wash and go. I mean, look at this. It looks so good. And I've been outside today, so it's held up in the Houston humidity. I am in absolute love. Let me know what y'all think. Have y'all used this before? I like their anti-humidity gel, but I think I like this more. I know. Yeah, if you like a flexible hold, this is it. If you like something that's a little bit more crunchier, the gel is gonna be your go-to. I like both of them, but I like this a lot. It's giving volume, it's giving fluff, it's giving healthy, it looks so good, and it's moving. So I'm here for it. Drop a comment below. Thank y'all for watching this video. More to come, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.